Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am in Abu Dhabi and currently I am staying in Aloft Hotel. It's a Marriott property, a 4-star property in Abu Dhabi. So I thought why not just give a room tour and a quick info about the hotel. So let's get started. So I'll be sharing you all the details about the bookings and the prices of these rooms for per night. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Okay, so after entering on the right side, there is a shower area and a dumping area. We have all the necessary basic sanitary items like conditioner, face wash, body wash. Here we have multiple towels, face towel, hand towel, body towels. So they are pretty good quality. So you don't need to carry your own towels if you are staying here. They also provide body lotion and soap for hand wash, and we also got this dental care kit which includes the toothpaste and toothbrush. So this area is like we can get ready and do a makeup and all. So yeah, so here we also got the locker system. So here we can like store our important documents like passport or any other invaluable items. I got this hair dryer. Then there are few drawers which you can use for storage purpose. Then we have this cupboard for storage. So please ignore the mess. We have just unpacked our items. So here you can keep your luggage and some important dress that you want to wear, you can hang it out. Then they do also provide the iron and the iron board. So now this one is the work area where they have like provided a good space with chair and lamp and all the facilities where you can sit and work comfortably. There is good lighting option also, and the view, you can enjoy the view while working. So this one is a queen size bed. So there were two queen size bed in our room. The room is quite vibrant and look good interior. We also had this smart TV which connects to your YouTube and Google account. Again, here we had some storage facilities, storage drawers. Then this one is the mini fridge where you can store your water bottles and get them chilled. So it is also good if you're coming here in summers and want to have a cool chilled water. So this one is the night view from our room. So I think we were staying on 5th or 6th floor, so it was very quiet. And this one is the coffee area. They have like coffee machine and water and coffee capsules, teas. You can prepare it if you want in morning. So here we have another storage space available below this coffee machine. So this was our morning view from our room. So it was quite pleasant to wake up with this view. It was calm and relaxed. They do have the complimentary breakfast along here included in your bookings. So it is a big breakfast buffet spread. So from croissant, different types of breads, cookies, pastries, muffins, sourdough breads, and various different types of breads. Then they have some meat options, non-veg options as well. Then the sprouts and salads, yogurt, mushrooms, boiled vegetables. They do have a lot of variety of food options available for breakfast, from fruits to breads to yogurt, and Indian breakfast were also there. So you can enjoy and definitely have a fulfilling breakfast. So this is the swimming pool area on the top of the hotel, and you can come here and swim in morning. So this is the reception area, and talking about the room prices, it's around 13 to 14,000 per night. You can check it out on Google and also on their website for room availability and prices and as per your needs. So this was all about my experience with Aloft, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.